In this example, we'll be reviewing simplifying a rational expression and stating the restrictions. Recall that another way we talk about restrictions is often referring to them as non-permissible values, or NPVs. So in order to begin simplifying my rational expression you see here, what I want to do is see if I can factor the top of this expression as well as the bottom. If I look at the top of the expression, or the numerator, I'll see that I have a common factor of 3. So I would factor out of 3 to get x squared minus 4 as my new numerator for this expression. And in the denominator, I see 6 and 12. So both of those are divisible by 6. So I'd have x plus 2 now in the denominator. Once the denominator is fully factored, like you see here, I'd like to just take a minute to go off to the side here and calculate my NPVs. So my NPVs would be resulting from the expression that contains x here, so the x plus 2. So I'm going to take the x plus 2, I'm going to set it equal to 0. Solving that for x, I get that x is not going to be equal to negative 2. So if x were equal to negative 2, then this expression would be 0 in the denominator, and I wouldn't be able to go any further with the problem. So I found my non-permissible value. What I want to look at now is if there's any further factoring or simplification I can do as I move through the process of simplifying here. So I got x squared minus 4, which is a difference of squares. So I could factor that to get x minus 2 and x plus 2. And again, this would all be over 6 outside of x plus 2. So now comparing the numerator and the denominator, I've got a common factor of x plus 2 here and here. And I've also got 3 over 6. So I can divide 3 by 3 once, and I can divide 6 by 3 twice. So I get a final expression here of x minus 2 over 2. And in order to make sure this is equivalent to the starting expression, I need to state my non-permissible value of x not being equal to negative 2. So now I've retained my non-permissible values, and I've simplified down through, so this would be equal to this.